Let us see 15th question in exercise 15.1. 5 cards 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds. In diamond cards we have 5 cards. They are 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. Total 5 cards are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is Queen? Total outcomes are total outcomes equal to how many cards total? We have 5 cards. They are 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. Total outcomes are 5. Here probability of card is Queen. Probability of Queen. How many queens? Only one queen. Okay. Favorable outcomes are 1. Total number of outcomes are 5. So, probability of getting queen equal to 1 by 5. Next, if the queen is drawn and put aside, we have 5 cards. 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. But we have already drawn Queen card and put aside. It means there is no Queen. Okay. How many cards we have? Now we have 10, Jack. There is no Queen in 5 cards. King and Ace. Total cards are 4 cards. Okay. Total 4 cards. We have already drawn Queen, put aside. Okay. In 5 cards there is no Queen. So total cards, total outcomes equal to 4. Okay. Total outcomes are 4. What is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace? How many ace? Favorable outcomes are 1 by total number of outcomes 4. Next one, a queen. See how many queens are in these 4 cards? No queen. So favorable outcomes are 0 by total outcomes 4. Therefore, probability of picking a queen equal to 0. We know probability of any event equal to 0. It is a impossible event. It is called impossible event. Next question 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is a defective. It is defective. One pen is taken out at random from the slot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. Here we have 12 defective, 132 good pens. Okay. 12 defective pens are mixed with 132 good pens. So total number of pens 12 plus 132 equal to 144. Okay. So total outcomes equal to 144. In 144, 12 are defective pens and 132 are good pens. Here asking the probability that the pen taken out is a good pen. Probability of taking good pen, which is equal to the number of favorable outcomes. favorable outcomes are good paints 132 by total number of outcomes 144. 12 table, 12 11s, 12 12s. So which is equal to 11 by 12. Suppose probability of taken out is a defective one. Probability of defective equal to the number of favorable outcomes of 12. Here we want defective paints 12. Favorable outcomes are 12 by total number of outcomes 144. 12 ones 12 12 times which is equal to 1 by 12.